How to add offline user accounts in Windows 11. First, right-click on the Start menu. Then click on Settings. Click on the Accounts option. Now look for the Other Users option and click on it. Now click on Add Account button. Now click on I don't have this person's signing information option. After that, click on Add User without Microsoft account option. Now you will be prompted to enter username and a password for the account. Write that username. Enter the password here to secure your account. If you don't want to lock your account, then make sure to leave password section empty. Then click on the Next button. And that's it. You have successfully added an offline user account in Windows 11. Now you can switch between user accounts by clicking on the Start button and then clicking on your account name at the top of the menu. Thanks for watching.